Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon offers. First, we'll explore where to find these fantastic deals, whether they are percentage off discounts or specific dollar savings. Then, I'll guide you through the simple steps to successfully apply them at checkout, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to save. We'll cover everything from clipping coupons to understanding promotional codes, making your shopping experience more rewarding and budget-friendly. Get ready to unlock significant savings on your next Amazon purchase. Amazon offers come in various forms, each designed to help you save. You might find percentage off deals, like 20% or even 50% off a specific item. There are also dollar amount savings, such as $5 or $10 off your total. Don't forget about buy one, get one free promotions or multi-buy discounts, which are perfect for stocking up. Keep an eye out for coupon codes and automatic discounts that apply effortlessly at checkout, making saving simple. Finding and applying these offers is straightforward. When browsing, look for a coupon or promotion section directly on the product page, often near the price. Simply click Clip Coupon to activate the discount. For promotional codes, you'll typically enter them at the payment step during checkout. Always double-check that the discount has been successfully applied to your order total before you finalize your purchase. This ensures you receive the intended savings without any surprises. To truly maximize your savings, always read the terms and conditions for each offer. Some can even be combined for greater discounts. Pay close attention to expiration dates to ensure you use them before they vanish. Regularly check Amazon's Today's Deals section for new daily promotions and limited-time offers. By staying informed and strategic, you can consistently find excellent value and make your Amazon shopping experience much more economical and rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.